Okay, new day. Today is absolute grind time for the car. I'm booked to get a structural integrity safety on Wednesday, and it is currently Sunday. You need to get it to get your car switched from a salvage title to a rebuild title in Canada. But of course, it's raining. I'm gonna be stuck in the garage all day today for as long as it takes until I get this car as close to done as possible. So let's start with this. For a while now, I've been trying to figure out where the connector in the front of the car goes. It's been driving me nuts because I wasn't able to take apart the car and I don't actually know where everything went. They never quoted this piece out. So this is the AC pressure sensor and it goes on top of the condenser. The body shop took it apart and they never told me what it was for. The condenser didn't come with a new one, so finally after looking for some pictures online, I found what it was and now we can install this into the car. Okay, now that that's in, I just need to cover something about these headlights really quick. In the last video, I showed you guys that the HID wires burned. The low beams were giving me issues and the LED strips didn't work. No. I contacted support from the company and they tried to put the blame back and forth from the supplier and the vendor. The bulb, igniter, and ballast is not something that we included into the set. That was a quote from the email I received back. So now after my third email to their tech line, I finally got an answer with how to diagnose the issue with the headlights, and at this point the car will be safetied. I'm not too worried about it. The fog lights are counting as the running lights at the moment. But I'll shut up now so we can actually get into the work because we need to get the bumper done today. Let's go. This little bracket broke in the crash. This is supposed to hook on in the back here while this sits in the top. Broke off in the crash, so I'm gonna try and silicone this onto the back of here just as a little DIY. It's been about an hour now and looks good. Doesn't move. It's not gonna fall off on the highway. That's what really matters. So call it a success. So these holes, for some reason, weren't drilled on this. So let's do it. I love her. I missed her so much. She looks so good. That hood gap is awful. Oh my god. Hello, focus. Oh. Hood gap, window switches. Believe that's it for the car. I can then make a mesh grille later, but it's not really a safety issue, so we'll get that done at a later date.